What's up, guys? Half a day and hello. Today's video is a pretty short one, quick one. I just wanted to show you some artwork that was lost. I would say that was lost, but some cool stuff that I used to always look at when I'm going down and up this hill of Tumon, which I'm walking on right now. I just want to show you, like, I found my old pictures of it, of this cool, like, tiled artwork murals that kind of got painted over the pandemic. But it's here at Ohana Bayview Hotel, and also kind of changed. Now it's just called Bayview, but here's a cool glimpse of it. I'll try to put the picture on the side. I just wanted to make this video just to show, like, the beautiful differences from the past to the modernization of the present now. It's kind of sad that some artwork is lost, but some pictures show how it looks, or how it looked, and it kind of still stays the same. Let's go check it out. All right, so this is the Ohana Bayview Hotel. I don't know if it's called Ohana still, but it's Bayview. Right there, there's actually 4 of my favorite walls, which is 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one is on the other side. But it wasn't like just plain like this before. They used to have artwork, and like this spot right here, I'll try to film it right there. They used to have this cool artwork, like very vintage stuff. I'll put it right here so you can see the differences of it. Yeah, it used to be really cool. Now it's gone. They buffed it. I mean, it's still there if you look at it, but yeah, they painted over it. Next up, we have this wall, which also used to have the ceramic artwork painting, as well as the one up there. I'll show you how it used to look. This is the now, and this is the before. I think it was more vibrant and cooler before compared to now, but who knows? I'm not sure who owns the building now, but before, this whole spot used to be like very colorful, you know. But I think they changed it, and they did so much renovations over the pandemic that, yeah, you know, some artwork from the past are lost. I'll put more pictures of how it used to look, and some that I took, and also some that I found online. But we're gonna go check out the front of this. All right, so every time I did go down this hill in Tumon, I'd always be greeted by the first sightings of this building, which is the Bayview, of course. And this side right here is the other wall I'm talking about. Just beneath that paint, you can still see the tiles, but just beneath that paint, there's a beautiful artwork of the two lovers. They're like jumping from Two Lovers Point, like cool Legends of Guam style. And then on the bottom would be like all these like sea creatures. It was pretty cool. Very cool art mural that they used to have here. This also used to be like orange, but again, modernization. They painted over it. I wish they never did, but yeah, we'll do some comparisons. I'll put the picture like right here, just so you can see the differences, the colors, and all that stuff. I used to like it, but this is just a tribute video of the past, for the past. All right, so I crossed over. As you can see, it used to be Ohana Bayview. This also used to be that mural I was talking about. I mean, you can't really see it now, but what people don't really see is a look into the past is actually this really used to have like this, but now it's nothing. It's just buffed out. I'm pretty sure if they water blasted it, you could probably still see it, like the tiles and the colors would pop out, but I'm not so sure. But yeah, this wall is gone, but it used to be a really cool, famous mural. Now it's you know, just the regular modern painted building. So this is Ohana, or called Bayview now. But again, in the past, when I was younger, this place used to have really cool art murals out of this, like, I think it was like a tiled artwork on those walls. I've been seeing, you know, over the time, I've been seeing them paint over it and thing. It kind of gives you that, like, You wish you appreciated it more when it was in person. Now it's gone, but I'm pretty sure it's still here. I have pictures of it, but I want to do this up close, film it. I mean, you can't really see, but we'll try to do some comparisons. Let's check it out. Like this used to have a really cool artwork with, like, I think the Camerlin, like Santa Maria Camerlin, the one from Magano, like the cathedral. They used to have a cool, like, painting there. And then also in this wall over here on the top. They used to have some cool murals and artworks all over Guam. But I guess over time, modernization, some things just don't fly. And I think they couldn't maintain it. I'm not so sure. But I just wanted to see this update and show you these cool pictures of this vintage building. Or vintage artwork murals on this building. Again, also this wall, you can still see the tiles, kind of. Used to have one. But it's kind of sad not seeing it anymore. But I figured I should share this little cool thing. So yeah, guys, I just made this little quick video just to show and talk about the appreciation I had of the past and all the cool murals and artworks that they used to have at this spot here in Tumon. Also, I want to share some pictures that I took in the past and also found. But yeah, guys, that's it. I don't know. That's it for the video, guys. Just a quick one, quick talk about that. I just want to thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. My name is Mark. Peace. I'm out.